Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, talk about change your mind. Yesterday I came on and showed you some beads that I was doing in this cardboard box, and I'd done one row I think it was, and I said no, it's not the method for me because it's dripping too much and I didn't like waste. Well, Mags Lockley's left me a comment and she said could I not put a tray underneath to catch the drips, and I thought, well, that's a good idea, but I didn't think there would be enough drips to sort of catch. Then I thought, oh well, I know, I'll put some of my papers down there, and what I've been doing is I've been coating them. I've just been dabbing it, you can see all right because it's so sunny today. Just been dabbing them like that, and then putting it all on my paper to seal my papers. And I've gone now from never wanting to do this again to it probably will be my preferred method of doing it. I don't know, but that's what I've been doing today. And then I've only done these a couple of minutes ago, and then when they get quite dry I've been hanging them on the line outside like the other lady had suggested, so that I can do some more. I mean, you know, I would now recommend doing it this way. I'm like, oh my god, how can you change your mind so quickly like that? But that, for me, I don't mind now, because I feel that I'm killing two birds with one stone, and you know, sealing some of my papers. Like this one was, you won't pick it up on camera, but it was cheap paints I think, and it was quite chalky. So that's an A4 one that I've been doing in that box. So I've just done that one, and then I've got some of my 12 by 12 papers that I've had forever, that I don't even know where this particular pack came from, but I'd painted that ages and ages ago, and again that was chalky. So, but I'm just going to cover you up a minute and I'll take you out to show you them hanging on the line. Like you really need to see that. Just a minute. Open this up. Cover you up so I don't make you dizzy. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where are they? There we go. Look. Just hooked my paper clips over the top. And they're blowing. Yeah. So that's all I was coming on to show you. So